Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.
Welcome to this very special AI-generated price analysis. In this weekly price analysis, we will cover Bitcoin, Polygon's MATIC, and Litecoin. First, an update on the market and how it is performing. The rally in the crypto market came as a surprise at a time when increasing regulatory gloom in the US is impacting crypto market sentiment. The rally has sustained spectacularly in crypto prices, sending the overall crypto market cap close to $1.2 trillion, with BTC rising by 14% and ETH by 13% over the course of the last week. Traders are describing this as a short squeeze playing out, as the markets were in oversold territory due to the regulatory moves by the SEC. Globally, however, the regulatory stance has been in stark contrast to the US, with Dubai's dedicated crypto regulator VARA launching its framework and Hong Kong showing the desire to become a crypto hub with new crypto regulations. In light of the crackdown on staking services by the SEC, there is an increased interest in the decentralized liquid staking platforms like Lido DAO, which saw a steep increase in prices for LDO by over 23% in the last 7 days. Now moving to price analysis, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin's price remained well supported above the pivot level of 19,80,000 rupees. BTC traded mostly in a range and is attempting to move above the 20,67,000 rupee level but is facing extreme resistance. A clear break above the 20,84,000 rupee resistance level could spark a strong rally. In the given scenario, the price could rise to around 21,66,740 rupees. The next level of resistance could be near 22,75,000 rupees, above which the bulls could aim for a test of 23,15,600 rupees. If Bitcoin fails to break through the 20,84,000 rupee resistance level, it may begin a downward trend. On the downside, the trend line and the 20,35,000 rupee zone provide immediate support, and the next major support level is around 19,40,000 rupees. Any dips in the market would be a nice buying opportunity. Now MATIC. Starting with an important update. MATIC has now become the 8th largest crypto by market cap, flipping Doge and trailing Cardano. The strength in the broader market has helped MATIC to climb the rank higher as its market cap rose to $13 billion. MATIC has formed a cup and handle pattern on the daily chart, which is a bullish pattern, and has given a breakout above 113 rupee level with strong trading volume. It is currently facing resistance at 125 rupees. RSI is also indicating the presence of strength in the counter, which will help it to continue moving higher. In the next few days, MATIC may test for support at 113 rupee level before resuming the uptrend, which will strengthen the uptrend. The next major resistance is placed at 145 rupee level. Moving to the last coin of this price analysis, Litecoin. Litecoin is witnessing increased investors' interest, and the coin has been in a definite uptrend since the mid of 2022. The upcoming Litecoin halving and inscription of the Ordinals project on the Litecoin blockchain are attracting a lot of attention. Looking at the daily chart, we can see that Litecoin continues to be in an uptrend, as it continues to form higher highs and higher bottoms, which is a bullish signal. Currently, Litecoin is facing strong resistance at 8,370 rupee level, and may drop a bit to test for support at 7,800 rupee level. And, as per Fibonacci retracement, 7,300 rupee level underneath is a strong support zone. If Litecoin breaks above 8,400 rupee level, it will be extremely positive for the counter and could send Litecoin price towards 10,500 rupee level, above which the bulls could aim for a test of 12,200 rupee level. That's all in today's price analysis.
Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions.